Is your eFootball running with low FPS or stuttering on your PC? In this video, I'll show you how to fix low FPS and stuttering issues in eFootball on PC. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Before doing anything else, make sure your PC meets minimum requirements. Try update your GPU drivers from the NVIDIA or AMD official websites. After that, try these advanced solutions. Solution 1. Change in game's FPS. First, go to the stream library. Now open up the eFootball. Then go to the home screen. Now tap on Extras from the top menu. Then click on the game settings. After that, click on Screen. Then scroll down and click on Display option. Here, you can see the game's FPS. Click on it. If it is selected to 60 FPS, then select 120 FPS and make sure to select VSync off. Then press B to go back. Now close the eFootball app and relaunch the game and see whether the issue is solved or not. If not, Solution 2. High DPI and compatibility fix. Go to the stream library, right-click on eFootball, then click Manage. Now click Browse Local Files. Here, click on eFootball folder, then Binaries, then Win64. Here, you will get the eFootball X file. Right-click on it, then click Properties. After that, click on Compatibility. Now, make sure to check mark the Disable Full Screen Optimization. After that, click Change High DPI Settings options. Then check boxes like Program DPI and High DPI Scaling Override from the below. Then check both boxes like Program DPI and High DPI Scaling Override from the below. Then click OK. Solution 3. Disable all overlays. Open up the Stream app again. Then click on Stream from the top left corner. Now click Settings from the pop-up. Next, scroll down from the left sidebar. Then click on In-Game. Here, you will get the option called Enable the Stream Overlay while in-game. Now just toggle it off. And there you have it. Hope your issue is solved now. Thanks for watching.